Hi everyone, I'm Fat Lurch. This is a quick update on the physical FMS panel I'm building for ARMA using a Raspberry Pi talking through the ARMACOM add-on. So here I'm set up in a H60 from the H60 project with battery 1 and battery 2 on so that I have some basic screens up. Down here by my left knee I have the FMS panel, and this allows me to pull up things like checklists and manipulate mission systems, various aspects. So what I have going right now is on the left, I have a actual Raspberry Pi with the touchscreen set up such that when I interact with buttons on the Raspberry Pi, I get the same effect in game. So now I'm going through a startup checklist, and you can see the items appearing on the Raspberry Pi are the same things being displayed in game, or specifically vice versa. The Raspberry Pi is actually mirroring the behavior from the game. So I can go through checklists for now, figure out how to start up and shut down the aircraft, things like that. I can pull up the mission system screen. I can't quite interact with any of these things just yet. That's going to take some more programming, but it's a start. This is talking to the game using a very simple little serial adapter. That's hard to show on screen. Hopefully in the near future, I'll be able to do this over Wi-Fi and Ethernet using TCP/IP and things like that. But for now, it's a basic proof of concept, just showing what can be done. For anybody interested in how this is working, the Raspberry Pi itself is outputting serial messages that are being picked up. ARMACOM, I've written a little script running in the mission to detect any serial comm coming from the Raspberry Pi. And what's actually being passed over is the actual commands that manipulate the screen in-game. So these are basically the same commands that the H60 project uses to go through these screens when you have button presses. It's just instead of coming from the game, they're coming from the Raspberry Pi. I'll be posting future updates and whatnot. Thanks for your time.